Why is gingerbread the ultimate Christmas cookie? Let's roll back nearly 1,000 years. Medieval Europe didn't have sugar like we do today. Sweetness came from honey, and luxury came from spice. Ginger wasn't just tasty, it was medicine, heat, and status, shipped along the spice routes at prices that made it feel almost magical. Monasteries were early baking hubs. During winter fasts and feast days, they baked spiced honey cakes, dense, durable, blessed with ginger's preserving power. Those cakes moved from church kitchens to town guilds. Lebkuchen bakers formed guilds with guarded recipes. Almonds, citrus peel, cinnamon, ginger, pressed into carved wooden molds. Nuremberg became the city of gingerbread, winter markets filled with spiced air. Then royalty added flair. Queen Elizabeth II had court bakers decorate spiced biscuits like her VIP guests. Gold leaf, icing, tiny faces. That's the spark behind the gingerbread man. The novelty moved to fairs. Sellers hung shaped cookies as charms. Eat the charm, keep the luck. Now jump to folklore. The Brothers Grimm published Hansel and Gretel, a house made of sweets. Bakers ran with the idea. Families began building Lebkuchen Häuschen, gingerbread houses at Christmas, theatrical, fragrant, perfect for long cold nights. Victorian Britain loved tradition. Christmas became a family holiday, thanks to Dickens, cards, and decorated trees. Tin plate cutters made stars, angels, little people. Icing got cheaper. Spices became accessible. What was rare became ritual. Cross the Atlantic. Molasses takes the lead. Cheaper than refined sugar. Perfect for dark, chewy gingerbread. Immigrant recipes met new ingredients, and the flavor stuck. By the 20th century, gingerbread meant winter. Bakeries, markets, TV specials, and White House displays. But why Christmas specifically? 3 reasons. First, practicality. Spices preserve, gingerbread keeps and improves in cold months. Second, symbolism. Spices marked feasts and holy days. Christmas was the big feast. Third, nostalgia. That warm, peppery aroma pulls memory. Family kitchens, sticky icing, leaning houses. When I bite a gingerbread man, I taste trade routes, monasteries, royal banquets, German markets, Victorian craft, home, a cookie that traveled the world and settled into December. Bake them crisp, build houses with too much icing, or let the smell fill the room. Gingerbread is history you can eat. It's a winter story we tell together, one spicy bite at a time. Thanks for watching. Mix, roll, cut. See how your kitchen smells like Christmas in about 12 minutes. That's the magic.